Welcome back, students. Now we are going to start Module 4, Lesson 1, Part 3. The name of the lesson is Banking. Module 4, Lesson 1, Part 3, Banking. In this, we are going to discuss issues and challenges. What are the issues and challenges banks are facing in India? So some of the issues are there and challenges are there that we are going to discuss. Sometimes a separate question can be asked, explain the issues and challenges of the banking system. So now we'll discuss one by one. Banking sector in India is facing several issues. Number one, asset quality. Asset quality of banking system is affected by stressed loans and non-performing asset NPAs. Bad loans. When the loans and interest is not returned for 3 months, it is treated as bad loans. This is only one line definition. You have to by heart it. Stressed loan. When the loan is doubtful to be repaid, even after 30 days of stipulated date, it becomes a stressed loan. Non-performing assets, NPAs. It is that which ceases to generate income. As per RBI circular dated 2nd February 2018, the loans with 1 day's default will be treated as NPAs. Next, capital adequacy. To protect banks and depositors, it is necessary to set aside money as a provision against bad loans. Indian banks, especially public sector banks, do not have sufficient capital. Next, bank fraud. Banks are reluctant to report fraud transactions. Next, declining profit. The public sector banks are facing the problem of declining profit. Next, political pressure. Business people, industrialists obtain loan through political influences and spend the money for the reason other than for which the loan is obtained. They report their firms as a sick unit and take the advantage of concessions provided for such bad loans. Next, cyber threat. As the digital transactions through the internet and other technological means are taking place, cyber crime is becoming a greater threat. Next, corruption. Securing loan from bank, especially from public sector, was never a clean and open process. Bribing staff from bottom to top is a normal affair. Next, poor service. Public sector bank services are poor, which harasses the client. The fact that employees are having permanent and secure jobs makes them confident about their job security and negligent in the attitude and the approach. Next, priority sector lending. Banks have not yet met the target of private sector lending, which is agriculture, cottage industries, etc. So these are the issues they are facing by the Indian banking. So Indian banking sector is facing these issues. All the 12 points you have to give. And the last point of this topic is challenges. There are 7 challenges. One by one we will discuss. Number 1, to clean up banking from corruption and fraud. Measures are to be required to be implemented to prevent fraud and corruption in banking sector. Second, eliminate political pressure. Political pressure leads to many problems, as the case of Air India. But to eliminate the political pressure is a big challenge. Next, financial inclusion. Still, a large number of socially and economically low strata are not included under the schemes like microfinance, etc. Next, to promote digital banking, it is required to educate people about new banking technology so that bank function with less cash and carry out their transaction with the help of new technologies. Next, improve efficiency. Measures are to be worked out to overcome the problems of inefficiency. Next, positive approach. Banks are not keen to help the poor and less educated to go through the formalities and obtain loans. Poor people find the banks beyond their reach. Next, recovery of loans. With the increasing NPAs, banks are facing its big challenge to the loan recovery. In August 2015, the government brought out 7-point action program titled Indradhanush to improve the performance of public sector banks. But today also the above measures after taking, we see still the challenges are there in the banking sector. So this is what is about the issues and challenges of Indian banking sector. Students, here module 4 lesson 1, name of the lesson is banking is over. We divided this into 3 parts, part number 1, part number 2, part number 3. Thank you very much.